create the query as well as forms and reports. Okay. First chapter will be for about that. After that, we will start Photoshop. So Photoshop, in Photoshop, we will have 2 chapters for Photoshop. So everybody download or install the Photoshop application on your computers, on your laptops, so that you can practice it side by side. Okay. Yes. Anybody who wants to say anything? All of you will download. You can download the Photoshop CS6 version, or you can have the CC versions. Whatever version is available, you can download it, because the basic tools will be the same for all the versions. Arish, it is paid software. Okay. So either you have to contact any software person जो आपके software install करते हैं आपके laptops पे, ठीक है? Or you can find it on maybe you have to find some cracked versions on the website also. Okay, shall I start with the today's topic? Anji, working with queries. Anybody remembers what do you mean by queries? We had already discussed the meaning of queries. What are the queries? Anybody who wants to share, who wants to tell me the meaning of queries, raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Yes, what do you mean by queries? We had already created tables in MSSS. Table is a collection of rows and columns in which data is organized in the form of rows and columns. And what do you mean by queries? What is query? I had already told you the meaning. Okay, yes, Arish?
Ma'am, they help us to retrieve the filtered data.
Okay, correct. Very good. The queries helps us to retrieve the filtered data. Filtered data means we want to retrieve or we want to see a particular information from our database. We have a large information. We store a large amount of information in our tables and in our database. And when we want to retrieve or when we want to see a particular information from the database, we can filter that information by using the queries. We can specify the criteria to see the particular record. For example, in simple terms, it is like a question that we want to find, that we ask to find the specific information from the database. For example, in this table, I want to find out the student name who lives in the city of Amritsar. So there are many cities are given in the database. I want to see the particular record of particular city. Students of living in a particular city. Or I want to see the record of a particular student. So I can give the name of the student and find that record. For that purpose, we have to specify the criteria. We will create a query. We specify the criteria on which criteria, this filter ke base pe we want to see the record. We want to retrieve the record from the database. Okay. Definition. What do you mean by query? A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from the one or more database tables that meet a specified condition or criteria. That means any criteria or any condition that we specify that can filter the data either from one table or we can get the data from multiple tables at a time. We can create the relationship, we can join 2 or more tables together, and we can get the information from multiple tables at the same time. I had already told you about the primary key. So we can have the primary key to relate 2 or more tables. I will tell you practically that also. Okay, there are 5 types of queries. One is select query, parameter query, cross-tab query, action query, and SQL, that query. That is the structured query language. You can underline the definition in your books also. On page number 47, you have the definition. A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet the specific condition or criteria. Underline the definition. Then there are 5 types of queries. These are given again, same page number 47. फिगर 5.1 के ऊपर देखो, फिगर 5.1 के ऊपर देखो, दिया हुआ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट असेस प्रोवाइड वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेरीज, select parameter, cross tab, action and SQL queries. Underline the types of queries. Underline the types of queries. Out of all these queries, we will use only the select query. Practically, we will use, for the time being, we will use only the select query. Okay. Okay, what is select query? A select query retrieves the data from one or more tables and display the record set in a data sheet. Select query means a query in which we design the query, we specify the table on which we want to create a query, then we specify the criteria or condition on which we want to base the filter the records and run the query. It will display the query. We can save the queries to see the data later on also. For example, I want to create a query in which I want to see the records from accounts department, employees. All of you had created the table for employees in which we had specified the department name. So I want to see the employees of only one particular accounts department. I can save the query. Later on, whenever I want to see the employees of accounts department, I can just run the query every time. I do not need to create it. I will create it once, save it, and I can run it as and when required. Moreover, if I make changes in the table, अगर मैं table में कोई changes करती हूँ, I want to add a few more records, I add a few more employees of the same department, or I want to delete the employees, or I make some changes in the mobile number or address or whatever other information is there. So whenever I run the query, updated information will be displayed. चाहे मैंने एक टाइम पे क्रिएट करी है, when after later on अगर मैंने बेस टेबल में कोई चेंजेस करी हैं, those changes will be reflected in the query whenever I run that query. I do not need to create it again and again. Okay. Next is parameter query. A parameter query is a type of select query that prompts you for input before it runs. That means select query, we specify the criteria or condition at the design time. Design time पे मैंने एक specify कर दिया कि मुझे accounts department के records देखने हैं. I had written already. Then save it. And whenever I run that query, it will display me the records of accounts department only. But in parameter query, what happens? It prompts you for input. Every time when I run, it will ask you to give me the condition. It will ask me to give me the criteria. So if I create a parameter query, every time I can give a particular department name. For example, if I create a parameter query, it will ask me the department name. On department name, it will ask me the department name. Whether I enter sales, it will display me the record of sales department. If I enter purchase, it will display me the record of purchase department. If I enter accounts, it will display me the records of accounts department. That means it will not display the records of a particular condition. It will ask me the condition, it will ask me the criteria, then it will display the record. For example, I want to see the record of a particular student. I want to see the record of a particular student based on admission number. I can create a parameter query, right? After in parameter query, I specify the condition. The condition should be based on admission number. Every time I run the query, it will ask me to enter an admission number. If I enter 8967, it will display me the record of that student. Again, I run the query, it will ask me the admission number. I will enter some other admission number, suppose 5634. So it will display me the record of that particular student. Okay, clear? Select query, criteria or condition is specified at the design time. Every time same condition or same criteria is used. But in parameter query, it asks you to give me the input. And that input is used as a criteria to control the result. Whatever result or whatever records I want to see. Okay, clear है? Any query till now? Any question till now? अगर कुछ नहीं समझ आया तो select query और parameter query का difference clear है? Everybody? Yes, Harman, Ananya, Gurdeep, is it clear? Okay. Next is action query. Action query will create a new table or alters your data or a database by adding, deleting, updating, and pending data from it. You will not create it practically. We are not going to use the action query or a cross-tab query. Action query में क्या होएगा? It will create a new table. Whatever criteria I had defined, on the base of that criteria, it will extract the data records from the table and create a new table of that record. And later on, I can make changes in that table as a new table object. Okay, I can create a new table based on some condition or criteria from an existing table. Action query will create a new table. That means suppose I'm having 10 to 15 fields are there in one table. I want to create a table. I want to create a query in which I want to see only the admission number, student name, and mobile number. So I can specify the criteria. I want to see only these three fields, and action query is created. A new table will be created with these three fields. That is called action query. Okay. Next is cross-tab query. A cross-tab query uses the row headings and column headings so that you can see your data in the terms of two categories once. कि एक ही टाइम पे मेरे पास कुछ कॉलम एज अ हेडिंग आ रहे हैं, कुछ कॉलम एज अ रो हेडिंग आ रहे हैं, इधर रो में आ रहे हैं, कॉलम में आ रहे हैं, and I can see the records according to the two categories. I can see the records according to match wise. I can see the record according to player wise. So both the ways I can specify the fields in the as a column heading, as a row heading also. That is called cross-tab query. Okay. Next is two ways to create a query. There are two ways to create a query. One is by using the query design view, and second is by using the query wizard. Okay, there are two ways you can create the query: by using the query design view or by using the query wizard. Most probably we will use a design view. Design view is the easiest view in which I can have the full control over the criteria and the field names and the table names. So that is the most easiest method to create a query. What is the command? In which tab we will go to create a query? We will create a query again by using the create tab as we had used for creating the table also. We will create that use the create tab, queries group, query design option. Okay, or you can have create tab, queries group, query wizard option. Both the options are there. And after creating the query, when you want to run it, you want to display the result, you want to see the result, design tab, results group, run option. Design tab, results group, run option. Okay, write down in your rough copies commands. What are the commands to create a query? Write down in your rough copy. Create tab, queries group, query design option. And what is the command to run a query? Design tab, results group, run option. And what are the two ways to create a query? Query design and using the design view and using the query wizard. Okay. Now see practically. Suppose I'm having this table, AMP number, AMP name, date of joining, department, and designation. Okay. Now I'm going to create a query in which I want to see the records of a particular department. I want to see the records of only sales department. So what I will do? Command क्या है create करने के लिए query command? Which tab I will go? Yes, anybody? Which tab I will use to create a query? अभी भी बताया मैंने, command बताइए. Which tab I will use to create a query? Create tab. Design tab nahi hai Anjani. Anjani, design tab is to run the query. To create a query, we are having the create tab. Click on create tab. See, in the queries group, there are two options: query wizard, query design. When I click on query design option, it will give you a show table dialog box. Whatever tables are available in the database, मेरे database में अभी जो tables available हैं, there it is showing me that table names. कि on which table I want to create a query. किस table के base के ऊपर एक query बनानी है. I will click employee, click on add, then click on close. Add the table, then click on close. Now it is having two parts of the screen. One is object relationship window, जो ऊपर टैब आ रहा है जहां पे हमारे पास टेबल आ रहे हैं. This is called the object relationship window. In the basic and the second, in the lower part, we are having a grid, field grid, in which I will add the field names. Now I can add the field names that I want to see in a query. Whether I want to see all the fields from the table or when I want to see a few fields. मुझे सारे fields देखने हैं टेबल के query में add करने हैं या मुझे सिर्फ थोड़े से field add करने हैं. Suppose I want to have the employee name. I will double click on it. That field name will be added. Steps ध्यान से देखो. I will double click on this field name. That field name will be added. Department added, or you can click and drag it here. Two methods to add the fields. One is double click on the field name in the table, in this table, or I can drag and drop it here. Okay, now there are three fields I had added. Now there is a sort option. Table name, sort option. If you want to sort the answers, if you want to sort the records that will be filtered, so you can sort it. Suppose I want to sort it by the field employee name. Criteria, show option. Show option is a checkbox. It will show all the fields in the result. If you do not want to see the fields, you want to add the fields, but you do not want कि ये field मेरा query result में visible हो, then I can uncheck it. This field will not be visible then. Criteria. Criteria is the most important part. Criteria will show you the condition on which I want to based on which I want to filter the records. Suppose I'm giving the condition in department field. I want to see the records of sales, so I had typed sales. So that means when I run the query now, it will show me the records of employees with three fields: emp name, department, and designation, and all the records from the sales department. See, design tab, results group, run option. Design tab, results group, run option. Now see, employee name, department number, and designation. Clear? This is the data sheet view. I can again go back to the design view if I want to change anything. If I want to see the records of purchase department, I will type purchase. Now run the query. It will show you the records from purchase department. Okay. Again view, design view. I want to see the record of based on designation. I want to see the records of clerk on all the departments. Run. देखो, accounts department में clerk, purchase department में clerk. Okay. Now, what is the use of this show field? All the three fields are appearing in the result, query result. I can deselect it, uncheck किया. Now run. It will show you the field name, amp name, and department. Condition, designation pair, it is not showing me clerk, 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 clerk. It is just hiding it. Using that field in the query, but not displaying in the result. That is the use of show option. Clear? Now, if I save this query, I will click on save, Control S. It will save the query. Ask me to save it. I am saving it as a designation. clerk. Okay, now this query is saved. I can close it, this window. Now, if I enter more records, then I'm giving department name. Then again, I'm giving clerk. Okay. Or if I'm changing any field, save the table by clicking on this save option. Okay. Now run the query. You just have to run the query, double click. No need to create it again. Double click, run it. Now see, we are having 4 records now. I had already entered one new record, Lucas, then purchase department, accounts department, then I had changed the field name. एक field का मैंने department change किया था employee का. Then it is giving me the records of all the clerks now. Whatever result I will update in the table, that will be reflected in the query. Clear? Anji, any question? Anybody who wants to ask anything? Any question? Samiksha, which command you want me to repeat? Anji, is it clear? Harman, Madhav, Shabad, Akul, Anand. Steps are clear. How to create a query? Yes, Simarpreet, Janvi, Rajat. You can unmute yourself and you can ask the questions if you have any. Shall I repeat the steps to create a query? Raghav, Prabsharan, is it clear? Okay, all of you are having a cess now. All of you had created the tables also. Now you can practice these queries at your home. This is only one condition that I had given. You can give the multiple conditions also. Suppose I'm having this match score table. Okay, match score. We will take the match score table. Okay. I want to see create a query. I want to see the records of those players who are having the score greater than 50. Okay, greater than 50. So I will create a query. Create query design. Add the table name match score. Click on add. Click on close. Now add the field names that you want to display. I'm adding name of player, match score, and match 5. Okay. Now I want to have the criteria. I want to see the records of those students, those players who are scoring score greater than 55 in match 1. So now I run the query. It will display me the only one player who is having the score greater than 55. I can go to this. I can change the criteria. I can give it in some other field greater than 55. Okay. और if I want to see the records of particular record, एक मुझे सिर्फ 85, किसी ने 85 लिया है तो it is 85. So I can give it without symbol also. So if I want to see greater than 50 and I want to see greater than 50, I want to see the record of those players who are having the score greater than 50 in match 2 and match 3. ठीक है, जिनकी दोनों मैचेस में 50 से ग्रेटर है. नाउ आई एम हैविंग द कंडीशन ऐड नाउ. तो मुझे जहां पर वो मैच प्लेयर्स का रिकॉर्ड देखना है जिनकी दोनों मैचेस में मैच 2 और मैच 3 में 50 से ग्रेटर स्कोर है. आई वांट टू सी द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ दोस. It will not display me the records of those who are having match 2. जिसकी एक मैच में स्कोर ज्यादा है, एक में कम है, it will not display me the records. See, match 2 and match 3 दोनों में ज्यादा है, 54, 54, 96, 125. दोनों मैचेस में कंडीशन मैच कर रही है, दोनों कॉलम्स में कंडीशन मैच कर रही है, ओनली देन इट विल डिस्प्ले मी द रिकॉर्ड. सपोज आई एम हैविंग ओनली one column. If I run it, it will giving me 3 records. Why? In this match 65 and here it is 32. So I had given the condition only on match 2. That is why it is giving me 3 records. When I had given the condition on match 2 and match 3, तो यहाँ पर match 3 में ये condition match नहीं कर रही थी, criteria match नहीं कर रहा था. That is why it was not displaying me this record of B player. It was giving me the record of only 2 players. Again, I'm giving greater than 50. Okay. Now if I run it, you can see it is giving me only 2 records. Yeah. When we give multiple records, those multiple records should match the criteria. Those multiple conditions should match. Only then the record will be displayed. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Similarly, we can have, this is the AND condition, okay? I want to see the record of those players who are having the record greater than 50 and less than 100. Less than 100. Now, what will happen? It will display the records of only those players who are having score greater than 50 and less than 100. Not greater than 100. अगर किसी की 100 से greater है तो वो display नहीं होगा. See, match 2. 54, 65, 96. It is giving me the records between 50 and 100. And condition. Okay? Clear? Clear? And condition is clear? Yes, Harman, is it clear? Akul? We can have the criteria on multiple columns as well as we can have the criteria in single column with AND option. जैसे आपको marks देखने हैं, students का record देखना है, I want to see the record of those students who are having marks greater than 60 but less than 80. So we will specify the criteria in total marks as greater than 60 and A and D and less than 80. So it will display me the records of those students. Okay, Janvi, what is the SQL query? But SQL query, we have to type the command. In SQL query, we have the SQL editor in which we type the command. For that purpose, we must know the terms and terminology and we must know the commands, how to type to extract the record from the table. So for the time being, we are not doing that. Okay, we are concentrating only on select query and parameter query. Okay, select SQL query करने के लिए आपको उसकी पूरी commands learn करनी पड़ेंगी SQL की. ठीक है? There we have to give the command like select, column names, from, table name, where, condition, criteria. So we have to learn the all the commands and we have to learn the specify the method syntax how to write the SQL command. Then we can use the SQL query. Okay, clear? Any question?